So this signal just came in a little bit ago. It's pound dollar 1 hour sell. So this is how I would dissect it and to see if I want to take it. It does look like it'll be a pretty good trade. So that red dot would have been the entry, but we can still get in. So I look at this. I go to a scroll out a little bit, and you can see some movements in here. You see the MACD at the bottom. It was growing and then it's starting to fall off. So there's divergence. So we have divergence and we have a signal. So then I go over to MetaTrader, which I already placed it, going for 28 pips. And you come to the chart and start at a 15-minute. Actually, let's start the hour. We went on a 1 hour. Here's the 1 hour chart. It shows then you have a push outside the band, pulls back in. We made another high. So now it's made another high, but so you have RSI divergence as well. So then you go look at a 4 hour. We're at the top of the Bollinger Band on the 4 hour. Right now we have divergence. So this high is still lower than this one. Go up to the daily. What do we look like on a daily time frame? We're pushing outside of the Bollinger Band on the daily. Go to even a weekly. And we see we've been on this uptrend here in this weekly, but we possibly could be dying out now. So you have this push out here. Is that high? And it broke it. So we have another higher high. There's no divergence. So there's a chance this could go up here and break this high, which should be fine. We'll just get in again. And that happens, we should end up with divergence on this RSI. And so we would just get in again and cost average it short. The 30-minute right now does have snapback criteria. So it's pushed outside the band and closed, pulled back into the band, pushed outside the band again and closed. And so you can see the MACD falling off. The RSI falling off. So that is snapback criteria. So I would look for this to go short. Like I said, if it goes up, we'll just keep cost averaging it and setting that original trade at break even. And so I expect, if this goes down, it's a 27 pip trade. If it goes up any further, cost average, you might get 50 pips out of it. But this is how I would trade the signals as they come in. So here was that pound dollar trade, the follow-up to it. So there was the signal, placed the trade up in here somewhere, and it dropped about a good, probably about 60 pips or so. So that's how simple it can be. So now the account's flat, so about 4.5% now. There was the trade that hit the take profit, and the pound yen also had a nice sell signal that came up. Buy an alert. Let's see, I think I have it here, a picture of it. Yeah, so I was messing around on my phone when the alert came in. See the top, pound yen sell. So that was that one. So that's how easy it is to get pips. So it was 100 pips yesterday, 60 pips today. So it's 160 pips, and it's only Tuesday. Any questions? Let me know.